Thanks so much for your interest in the free debt payoff Snowball spreadsheet. I'm gonna take a couple minutes to show you quickly how to use it so it can maximize the output for you. So first, when you open it, this is gonna be the same for Google and Excel, but I'm just gonna show you the Google one. But when you open it, it's gonna just basically walk you through this 5-step process. First, it's gonna ask you how many creditors you have. I'm gonna select 3 just to make it a little bit more simple. Next, it's gonna ask you how much money you have each month to pay extra towards creditors. Now, we also have another version, which is the free web version, which is a version I definitely want you to check out, but it will actually help you understand how much extra you have, and it saves everything and will do a lot of more automation than this spreadsheet version. So if you are interested, check that one out as well, because I am very excited about that one. Okay, so let's say you have $300 extra each month put towards your debt and you want to do the Snowball method. It also has links down here, Snowball, Avalanche, and the Savvy method, and you can decide which one you want, but we're gonna do the Snowball because that is the most popular. So 3 creditors, $300 each month. Now, if you don't have any extra money each month, then it's not gonna be a debt payoff plan, you're just gonna make your minimum payments. So what it'll do is it says your current payments. It'll already have 3 that are highlighted. So you're just gonna put in the name of each one, the balance, the rate, and the amount. Then it's gonna actually just tell you, are you paying it off or is it paid off? And it's pretty smart. It'll tell you exactly what to do. So next, once we got these 3 things, we're gonna click this calculate button. It's gonna run a script in the back end that will tell you the payoff strategy. Once you do another payoff, it'll just keep doing it until your debt is completely paid off. Now what it'll do is it'll ask for authorization required. You're just gonna click OK here if you're comfortable with that. And then I'm gonna click on this. It will tell you kind of what you need to do in order to get this done. It basically just allows the script to run. So once the script is being run, now you'll see that you will put $400 extra, the $300 per month to the Chase account here. Now, once you're done paying the Chase account, let's say that you're gonna just put this account paid off. Now, all you have to do, press calculate, and it'll tell you an updated payment strategy that will snowball the amount into your next account. So right now, it'll be Citi. Once you're done with the Citi account, you just go to that paid off, go back to calculate, and boom, and now you got your Amex. Hopefully that video is helpful. Please message me or email me at ceo@trysend.com if you have any issues with this calculator on either the Google or the Excel, because we really wanna be here to help you figure it out along the way. Thanks so much for watching.